Furup kayagi miyoi lising kayana haikat laikat tamduna Anglo Manipur wargi athobusingbu ikai khumnakre Kongjom lan achamba Lanpham nate thauna leiba masana masabu Maromdom Lepchanaba Soknakhiba Lanpham ni haina Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na lamdam asibu singthakre Manipurgi ningtamba ngaknanaba kumja lising amagat chanipan Marifudara mathoida British ka Manipur ga Soknakhiba Lanpham da Imalaipa kidamak thawai kat kraba ipaipu athobusing adubu ningsingduna makhoigi mafamda state asigi furup kayagi miyoi lising kayana sarukyaduna hikat lekat tamki Thauna faraba Imalaipa kidamak thawai thadokraba ipaipu sing adugi mathauna maringjel adu ekoine ikai khumnagadabani hairaduna Kongjom lan asi achamba Lanpham nate thauna leiba masana masabu Maromdom Lepchanabagi Soknakhiba Lanpham ni haina Manipurgi Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na phongdokre Manipur laingang na senduna ngasi Thoubal District ki manungchana Kongjomgi kebachingda leiba Kongjom War Memorial Complex ta pangthokiba thorom aduda Manipurgi Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na luchingduna kebaching thakta khilliba Kongjom Lanpham da thawai katkraba athobusingi ningsing yumbi amadi kebaching khongdi khilliba pauna brajaba sigi mitamda haikat lekat tamduna ikai khumnabu utki haikat lekat tambagi thorom aduda Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency gi MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijam, Hanegi CM Okram Ibobi, Hanegi Minister TH Bisorjit, Sugnu ACG MLA K Ranjit, Wabagai ACG MLA Usam Deven, Kundrakpam ACG MLA Lokisor, Chief Secretary Prasan Kumar Singh, DGP Rajiv Singh Amadi Civil Amasung Uniform gi Atay Makoktongba Official Kayana Sarukyaki, Taromaduda Ahanba Manipur Rifles ki Personal Singna General Gun Salute Piki, Last Post Kongba, Reverse Arms, Slope Arms, Amasung, Order Arms Pangtok Pagalonina, Minute Ani, 2 minute left na Ikai Kumnaba Utki, Tungda, Governor na Luchingduna, Kongjom Turielda, Haisoi Haitha, Jeng Toiding Katki, Kebaching Kongda Pangtokba, Mapungway Batauramda, Atoiba Mitunglen Oina Saruk Yakiba, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na Hai, Kongjom gi Lanpham asi bomb top Kusukulai Amadi, Nongmay Kapnabagi Lanpham Adukak Nate, Manipur gi athobasing aduna mapangan kalaba British ki makutta maithirani khangna khangna ninghannaba leitana mamalai paki damakta sibaki dana Soknakhiba Lanpham amani Kongjom lan asi icham chamba Lanpham nate lamdam adu mamalai paku nungshiba thauna leiba masana masabu Maromdom Lepchanabagi Soknakhiba Lanpham amani Palan thoram asina Manipur gi tungi horakliba mirol singda mamalai pak nungsibagi wakhalon adu pokhanduna amadi apunbagi saktam mama sagatuna chokhatpa Manipur amasung India purakpo oidasanu haiki Taronggi saruk ama oina lamdam asigi kunung isai sakpada toidok hendok na maming leirabi Komantem Sundari Devi na Kongjom Prabha sakpa amadi Rupmal Theater na sanaba Kongjom Lan haiba drama amasu miyamda utuna mipum khudingi pukning jingsinki
The sacrifices made at Kongjom were not for any single group or community. They were for the future of all Manipuris. We must work together, embracing our differences while celebrating our shared heritage to build a state that is inclusive and united in purpose. While building a united and progressive Manipur, the youth and the generations to come must not forget the collective efforts of hills and valley people in defending the territorial integrity of Manipur in the Anglo-Manipur War.